Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. So it's the beginning of the week after Black Weekend and Cyber Monday, so it feels good to be back in the garage to sort of work through the stuff that's been going on during the weekend. But here we can focus on, well, metal and rust. So I will be continuing with the hubs so that I can, when I press out the actual axle stub from the bearing will separate. So I will have another one of the pieces will be left on this axle stub. So I need a knife puller in order to remove it. So I want to prepare that so that I can borrow one from a friend and then just take care of all of them. So let's see if we can get that far today. So as you can see here, I was successful in removing the axle hubs, and it might have looked a bit violent when I was doing that, but I couldn't put any proper supports to the hubs in the press, and since I will be replacing the bearings, I don't think there's a problem if I were to damage the bearings, but they look fine, so it's almost a bit of a waste replacing the bearings, but in case I leave some dirt in there, or sandblasting sand or whatever, then they will get destroyed and I would need to redo everything. So I have ordered new bearings. These cups covering the nut, I will see if I can order new ones from Toyota. I will try and sandblast them, but I suspect that they will well, die a bit. We will see. I will give it a try. And here you can also see one of the mods that I had to do in order to get the brake discs to fit. I have cut down this lip, which is protecting the ABS ring. Here you can see an untouched one, so this one needs to be cut down. And I don't think I will be able to remove the ABS sensors. The last time I was working on ABS sensors in this way was on a Mazda 626, so I ended up actually cutting this ear off in order to get the ABS sensor out, just to get the sensor out, and then I was able to install it on my car. And on my car I had of course beaten the shit out of the sensor to get it out. But yeah, I don't think I will even try to remove these. I will just tape them up and protect them as good as I can when sandblasting. But yeah, this is good. So mission accomplished. The task that I wanted to complete was removing the axle hubs from the spindles, or whatever you want to call them, and I did just that. We do have like a knife extractor thingy, something that will clamp underneath the lip of the inner bearing race that is still on the axle hub, and then you can pull it off. But I suspect that the ABS ring that you see behind me is in the way for that, so I will give that a try, and otherwise I will need to find something else to make that work. We do have a problem using this because the ABS ring is in the way, but it was very close, so I will have to come up with a different solution. But yeah, I will go home and eat now. I'm tired. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.